In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VS Code. Visual Studio Code is a fast, flexible code editor. When you open it, you'll see the activity bar on the left, the editor in the center, a bottom panel for the terminal and problems, and a status bar with handy info. We'll walk through the icons on the left because they're the core of your daily workflow. First, open Visual Studio Code. If a welcome page appears, that's normal and helpful for quick links and recent projects. Click Explorer on the left. Explorer is home base for your files and folders. You can browse your project, create or rename items, and see changes at a glance. Selecting a file opens it in the editor. Drag and drop makes reorganizing simple. Click Search on the left. This scans your entire project for text, which is perfect for tracking down definitions and usages. You can filter by file name patterns, toggle match case, and even use regular expressions for precise finds. Replace updates, matches safely, and replace all handles broad changes in one pass. Click Source Control on the left. This integrates with Git to track and review changes. You'll see modified files, compare diffs, stage exactly what you intend, and write clear commit messages. If your folder isn't under version control yet, you can initialize a repository or connect to an existing one so your history is recorded and shareable. Click Run and Debug on the left. Here you can run your app and debug it with breakpoints, watches, and step controls. VS Code often detects common setups automatically. For custom needs, a launch configuration tells it how to start your program. Use this view to pause execution, inspect values, and resolve issues faster than print statements. Finally, click Extensions on the left. This marketplace adds language support, themes, linters, debuggers, and more. Install what you need, keep them updated, and check ratings and descriptions before adding new tools. A few focused extensions can boost productivity without slowing the editor. That's the tour. With Explorer, Search, Source Control, Run and Debug, and extensions, you have everything you need to navigate projects, find answers quickly, keep clean history, squash bugs, and tailor the editor to your workflow. Open a project, explore these views, and you'll feel at home in VS Code in no time.